Ready to unlock a world of affordable calls and data in the UK with Lyca Mobile? Let's get that SIM activated step by step. First, unbox your Lyca Mobile SIM card. Inside, you'll find the SIM itself. Along with a user manual, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the information provided. Now, grab your phone and open the dial pad. Here's where the magic happens. You're going to dial 139 followed by your Lyca Mobile SIM card serial number. The serial number is usually printed on the SIM card itself or on the packaging it came in. Double check that you've entered it correctly, then press the call button. After dialing, you should receive a confirmation message from Lyca Mobile. This message confirms that your SIM card has been successfully activated. If you don't receive this message within a few minutes, try restarting your phone. Now that your SIM is active, head over to the Lyca Mobile website or app to check out the available plans and top-up options. Choose the plan that suits your needs and get ready to enjoy affordable connectivity. And that's it. You're now ready to make calls, send texts, and browse the internet with your Lyca Mobile SIM card. Enjoy staying connected.